here from Create with Scrimping Mummy. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I'm sharing my Journaling J.O.Y collection for September, and this is called Alice. It's a beautiful, beautiful collection. There's lots and lots of pages. And before I share it, I just want to explain that these are for my Ko-fi members. It's £3 a month. Okay, to join, and you get a collection every single month. If you join today, you get access to all the previous collections as well as this one. Also, I do tend to waffle, so the video might be a little bit long, but please stay to the end because this month there's something extra for my members. There's actually going to be a completely extra collection, and there's a special reason for that, and it's going to coordinate with this collection. So make sure you stay to the end so that you don't miss it. It's absolutely lovely. You're going to love it. So here we go, Alice. I've tried to stay true to the original vintage images, which are public domain. I've just added my twist on it. I didn't want it to be Gothic Alice, Pink Alice, Purple Alice, Grunge Alice. I just wanted the beautiful, I love Alice in Wonderland. And I just wanted the original vintage images, and I've just added my little bit of touches to it. Okay, so these are all beautiful vintage images that I've just enhanced. I've brightened the colours, I've added and removed bits, and just added my little touches on top. Okay, so there's the first defined journal page, so that you've got different images on each, so that as you're flipping through your journal, you've got different images on each page. Okay, absolutely beautiful. So here's my collage page. There's a lot going on here. So this is my take on the Alice in Wonderland in a collage form. It took me quite a while to do. I really enjoyed it, and it's just stunning, absolutely beautiful. It's just really going to add some wow to your journal making. Okay, here we go, some more journal pages. So we've got a little bit of fun here. We've got the guards painting the roses red, and then I edited this particular guard here that has like a surprised look on his face, and he's looking at these roses, and there's a little drink me bottle tucked in the roses, and I just thought that was really cute. Okay, so the idea of Journaling J.O.Y, if you're new here, is that I create a journal collection every single month for my Ko-fi subscribers. Every single month. I've been doing it since December last year. And I do tutorials on the cover. We do a different cover style every month, so that my members are building on their journal making, not skills, because, you know, a lot of people are already skilled. I'm just giving you extra ideas. Okay, so you've got a different idea every month of a different kind of journal cover, and we've done a different one every month since December. You can view all of the previous videos, all of the previous covers, tutorials, everything that I've shared on my Journaling J.O.Y monthly journals playlist. I'll link it in the description box below, along with my Ko-fi shop. Okay, so it's £3 a month to join. You can come and go as you please. All you need to do is join, and you can cancel it at any time via your Ko-fi profile. Lots of people stay. There's lots and lots of members over there because it is such good value for money. Beautiful again, absolutely stunning. Another one, just beautiful. I'm not going to go on too long, but otherwise the video will be long because there's lots of pages to share. Okay, another beautiful one there. We've got one of the guards, and I've slipped the white rabbit in there and some little mushrooms, and then we've got you know, the front of a book page from one of the original books. Oops, that's upside down. We've got the Cheshire Cat grinning down at Alice from the tree there. Beautiful. This one's upside down again. I obviously have been looking through these. So here we've got the rose clusters, we've got some playing cards, we've got the pocket watch, and we've got the little bottle again. So beautiful. Plain journal pages. Okay, you can print them on the back of these. You can print these double-sided, so that you've got lots and lots of writing space or decorating space, or whatever you like doing in your journals. I do mine quite simple, so that I can turn them over really quickly, so that it helps me do a journal a month. Okay, if we really go to town and embellish them, journals can take months and months and months to make. If we can do it in a way where we can turn over a journal a month and we can start and see our collections of journals building up, we're like, wow, and it gives us a sense of achievement instead of feeling bogged down by journaling. We shouldn't be feeling bogged down. We can turn them over quickly. You can always revisit your journal once you've completed it and add more things to it. You know, some people add things to journal over months and years. But you can create a journal a month very, very easily if you follow my methods. There's another one with the lovely pencil drawings there, and with them enlarged. Okay, just beautiful. Another plainer writing page with the pocket watch background. And then I always also do some pattern pages like you would get in scrapbooking, because these coordinate with your printed, you know, your... Oh, I'm losing my words today. With your, you know, your heavy images, these coordinate with them. You know, if you want to do something other than journals, card making, folios, album making, these are perfect. These are also perfect for making pockets, albums, decorating the sides of your journals. It just makes your papers go further and it helps you decorate. You don't have to start going and hunting for papers that match the colours. I give them to you. I do them for you. So everything you need to coordinate with these journal collections is in the journal collections. You don't need to go and start buying anything. It's all here. Okay, so you don't need to hunt through other pages or cardstock to get colours that coordinate. It's all here. Okay, so there we've got the crazy alphabet and numbers, and these colours are taken from the roses and the green is taken from the leaves. So it all coordinates perfectly. It's very carefully thought out. Then we've got one with the playing card suits on. Then we've got the spotty dotties, timeless. They look beautiful with all of the images. Okay, and we've got coloured dots, and you can see it here running through here, so you can see how fab it all coordinates. And there's some of that paper there with the suits on, and there's some of the green with the alphabets on, so you can see how it all goes beautifully. Okay, great for accents, envelopes, pockets, tucks, whatever. Here we've got some beautiful vintage images that I've turned into some journaling cards that are approximately 3 by 4. They're just stunning, absolutely stunning. I just love them. Then I made you some pockets. So these are fairly large pockets. You know, they're not little things that you're not going to fit anything in. These are 3 by 4 and they'll fit in easily. Okay, beautiful. With the spotty dotty and then the embellishment. Then we've got lots of fussy cuts, because these, you know, help us decorate our journal without going and hunting for things. Again, embellishments, things like that. I do it all for you. It's all here. So we've got the Drink Me. We've got scrolls with Alice on, pocket watch. And I don't do them teeny tiny. If you want them small, you can print them 2 to a page for smaller ones, for clusters. I do them large because then when you cut them out, you add them to something. It's an immediate focal point. Okay, so you don't have to keep adding and adding and adding and adding. It's just a quicker way of doing it. We've got some lovely words there, word labels, various memories, wonderful stories, etc. So this page and the next page I've added in here just so that they're all together. But these 2 pages are actually free over in my Facebook group. So if you don't want to join my subscription club, you just want a couple of freebies, you just want a little bit of Alice, you're more than welcome to come and join and get these for free. So we've got these large tags with some circles. Okay, beautiful. This is my favourite image of all time. It's just stunning. And I love this one with the Humpty Dumpty. And then we've got some vintage playing cards. So these are original scans of original vintage playing cards that are enhanced, so they're not as dark. But, you know, they're true to the original artwork. They're beautiful. And I've lifted some of the words there. Then we've got some more fussy cuts. So these are the florals that I've used. Again, they're not teeny tiny, so they're easier to cut out and they're giving you an immediate focal point. These are mirror image, so if you wanted to turn them back to back and put them on the edge of a page, you can. Okay. And then we've got some of the characters. Again, these are mirror image. And some stacked teacups and a fairy cake with Eat Me on, which alludes to the, you know, the Eat Me cake in the Alice story. Just fabulous. And then we've got some more. Is that the same? Have I printed that out twice? I've printed that one out twice. So that's the same as that one. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Then we've got some larger tags here. Beautiful. And these ones I've put an inked border on. We've got some of the page tabs. I've made these slightly larger than I usually do because I don't like fussy cutting fiddly things. So these have been made slightly larger, and they're just gonna, all they're gonna do is add even more of a wow. Lots of room to add your words if you so desire, or punch your holes and add dangles, however you choose to use them. And they fit nicely on the top of these large tags as well. Then you get your monthly layouts for those that like the planning aspect of a monthly journal. So you can write your dates or your tracking or whatever you might want to write in there. And you've got one in landscape, you'd put that in the centre of a signature, and one in portrait. So we're going to do a fantastic journal together. As I say, I will be doing a tutorial on a cover. I've already got an idea in my head. It is going to be probably the second week in September because I am going on my family holiday. I may well already be on holiday when this video comes out. I'm not sure. It's scheduled. So I might be laid on a beach somewhere. I might not. I might be at home flapping about, packing and cleaning. I don't know. So let's talk about what else you're going to get this month. So this month, and I've been promising for months that we're going to do a mini album. And September is going to be the month that we do our mini album. So as well as the Journaling J.O.Y collection, my members are going to be getting a cutting guide for a mini album, free. And also an 8x8 paper pack that I've created that coordinates with this. Now, it's not completely finalised yet. Some of the pages need tweaking. But I'm going to show you what is finished so far. So these are designed for the 8x8 album that I'm going to be making. Now, one thing I do have to say is my printer prints with a border. So that brings my 8x8 sheet down to 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. But that's the perfect size for layering on our albums anyway, because I always leave a 1/4 inch border. So it's perfect. If your printer prints borderless, then this will be just ever so slightly a hair over 8x8. But it's going to fit on our 8x8 mini album. Okay, it's beautiful. And I've also, it'll fit on A4 and US letter size. And I've filled the bottom of each page because obviously this is only 8x8 and our sheet's bigger. So I've not just wasted the space, I've added embellishments on the bottom of every page. So here we've got the chess pieces blown up, so you can fussy cut them, and I will be showing you how I decorate my mini album. So I'll be showing you how to utilise these embellishments that I'm giving you. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to show it you all. All right, and there's another one. So these are the busy mini album pages. Don't forget, you can also use the pages in this huge journal collection as well. Okay, you've got all these background pages. You can use those as well. All right. So that's that one. And here we've got a large pocket watch and a mouse in a teacup. So I'm going to show you my idea for that. Then we've got another patterned background there with the suits and a large bottle here. Now that is large. It's oversized on purpose because I've got an idea for it. So when you see the tutorials, middle of September, it will become apparent. And then here's I really love this page. It's simple, but it's lovely. With the pocket watch in the middle, we've got book page print there from the Alice in Wonderland book, and the florals, so you can see it does coordinate. All coordinates beautiful with the journal collection. And then down here we've got some border strips. These will look fabulous on our pockets or on our photo mats or whatever. It says Wonderland and Alice. Beautiful. All like washi tape, I guess. And then there we've got a plainer one. So this is, you know, book pages from the vintage original Alice in Wonderland book. And then down here, we've got some of the keys for the little door that she goes through. Those are mirror image, so we can fussy cut them. We can laminate them. I'm going to laminate mine. And then we can use them as little dangles. Or you can just use them as they are. So those are the pages that I've done so far for the mini album. So you're going to get a tutorial on the mini album. You're going to get a cutting guide for the mini album. And I've even done separate papers for the mini album, as well as all of these, okay, plus the extra journaling pages. So that's an awful lot for September. So if you've not tried my subscription club yet, go and have a look, you know, have a nosy about. You get access to all of this today, and these will come later on in September. If you are a current subscriber, make sure your subscription runs through September so that you don't miss out on these, okay? You don't miss out on them, because you know, if your subscription ends on the last day of August, these are coming in September, okay? So we're going to be busy. We've got an awful lot to do in September, but I'm going to go through it step by step, and I'm going to make it so simple that anybody can make this journal and the mini album. We're going to have some awesome fun using the Alice collection. Thanks for watching. If you've watched to the end, thank you. I am away for the next week or so, so if you don't see any further videos from me, don't worry. I'm just having my family holiday, and on my return, the videos will, you know, they will come. The tutorials for these collections will come. Just don't panic. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.